Assalamu alaikum friends. Today our essay is on Pakistan Day. Pakistani Resolution Day, also Republic Day, is a national holiday in Pakistan. Twenty-third March 1940 is a day that celebrates with the great zest and zeal all over the country. This day, prayed by the armed force, is a often part of the celebration. This is a day to remember the struggles undertaken by the Muslim leader of the subcontinent, like Qaid-e-Azam. Pakistan Resolution Day 23rd March 1940 is the day that tells us the story of success and determination. Thank you so much.